Hi, my name is Derek Salamanca, and this is everything you need to know about the Hasenhorn Alpine Slide in Todtnau Germany, and I'm even going to take you on a little ride along.
There are a bunch of street signs, as you can see, for the coaster. Just follow them, and it's up there. Alpine slide is 10 bucks a person. I'm currently heading up the chairlift. Our mom is waiting down here because she's scared already.
Oh, God.
I really hope the camera's picking up that sound. We're currently about at the halfway mark, and it is super long. It's good to have brake lights on it too.
Oh.
Oh, a little whoop-de-woo. Looks like it's gonna walk off the edge of a cliff right here. There's a little slide here. Oh, it's so slow. Oh.
Up at the top of the mountain. Let's go down the Alpine slide. But Derek's gonna go down a real slide. Go! Suck.
There were signs everywhere saying that you're not allowed to bring video cameras, so in the beginning and the end of the slide, you're going to see me taking out the camera and putting it away. That's that little weird part.
Scarier than you think. Holy shit! still braked. You still got. Yeah, I had to. We just got done. It was a very fast ride. You used your brakes. It has a thing that you can't fly off, but you definitely feel like you're gonna, and you're right on this like cliff edge when you look down, as you can see in the video. I would just plan for like an hour. We came at 10 o'clock in the morning. There wasn't a line. Now there is a line, so you're gonna need at least an hour here. We parked at 10, and we're just walking down at 10:48. The ride up is pretty long, at least 15 minutes. You fucking idiot. The address will send you this way, and you can like tell you can't go that way. So just park in this parking lot. It's only like a 5-minute walk. I recommend getting here around 10 or earlier, because this lot was empty when we first got here, and now it's packed.
It took me 3.5 minutes to do the whole entire slide. If you post a video of you beating my time, comment below, and I'll check out your video. Thanks for watching again. My name is Derek, and this is Navy, and she's forcing me to pet her. You good girl. Anyways, I hope I answered all your questions. If I didn't, feel free to leave me a comment, shoot me a message. I always answer them. Don't forget to comment if you beat my time down that alpine slide. This slide is faster than it looks, and it's scarier than it looks. It was wicked fun. It's very long, so it's definitely worth the money. I've got a lot more adventure videos coming out. Subscribe so you don't miss those. Bye.